In the first part of this lesson, we learned how to solve multiplication equations, and we learned when we have multiplication and you need to undo it, all what you have to do is to divide by the same number. The same thing when you have division and you need to undo it, all what you have to do is to multiply by the same number. For example, if we have the number 24, which was divided by 6, the answer is 4. To undo that and to get the 24 back, you need to multiply by the same number that you divided by. So we multiply again by 6. 4 by 6 is 24 again. So to undo division, you need to use multiplication. Let's take a look at question number 2. We have y divided by 3 equals to 12. Remember, in algebra, we write the division in a fraction form and we write the multiplication without a sign. Yani, when we have y over 3, it means y divided by 3. So I want to undo this by multiplying by 3, because we have y divided by 3. To undo this, you need to multiply by 3. Divide by 3 and times the 3 will cancel each other. And the second side we have a 12. So as we did to the first side, we need to multiply it by 3. So we have y equals, what's 12 times 3? It's 36. As simple as this. But to be more organized, let's see how does it work in algebra. You write it like this. We multiplied here by 3 because we have the 3 in the denominator times 3. So we think we have a 3 up and a 3 down will cancel each other. What do I have left? I have y equals to 12 times 3, which is 36. Let's check as usual. If we replace the y by 36, what's 36 over 3, which means 36 divided by 3? Is it a 12? Yes, it is. So my answer is correct. Let's take a look at question number 4. We have a over 5 equals to negative 6. As I mentioned before, when we have a over 5, it means a divided by 5. So we have a question number 4. A over 5 equals to negative 6. So I want to cancel the 5. Since the unknown number a was divided by 5, to undo this, you need to multiply by 5. And here also, you multiply by 5 to keep the equation balanced. So we think 5 up and 5 down will cancel each other. What do I have left on this side? We have a isolated, which means a by itself. Now we have a negative number times a positive number. Remember, negative times positive, the answer is negative. Okay, 6 by 5 is 30. Let's try to check by replacing the a by negative 30. Is negative 30 divided by 5 equals to 6? 30 to negative 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And negative divided by a positive, it means negative. So my answer is correct. Like question number 8, when we have a variable times a fraction, we will work on this on Tuesday, inshallah. But today we will focus only on multiplication and division. So this is for Tuesday. Let's work in question number 9. We have a number that was divided by 15 to get 4. P divided by 15 equals to 4. To undo division, we need to multiply by 15 and multiply by 15. As you can see, dividing by 15 and multiplying by 15 will cancel each other. We have P left over here and 4 times 15, which means 60. Let's check. 15 times 4. 4 by 5 is 20. 4 by 1 is 4 plus 2, 6. Yes, it's right, it's 60. And also, you can check your work by replacing the P over here by 60. Is 60 divided by 15 equals to 4? Yes, it is. Let's move to question number 11. We have R divided by 8 equals to negative 10. R divided by 8 equals to negative 10. As we did before, to undo dividing by 8, you need to multiply by 8, multiply by 8. I have R over here equals to, because they cancel each other, so we have the R isolated. We have negative number times a positive number, which means negative. 8 by 10 is 80. As simple as this. So, all what we did in this lesson, that we learned, when we have multiplication, you can undo it using division, and when you have division, you need to undo it by using multiplication. Also, when I have a 3x, it means 3 times x. And when you have x over 5, it means x divided by 5. I hope this video was helpful for you. Make sure to solve your online assignment. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.